Stanton.com in house, guys. Check out this new listing. It has an amazing and very elegant staircase, which is just in time for prom pictures. If no one has told you, the market is on fire. So we don't expect this house to last long. Let me show you around what the kitchen and other parts of the house has to offer. All right, guys, a few things that I wanted to point out. 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors. The kitchen is amazing, as you're gonna see. 48-inch cabinets, recessed lights. Again, many upgrades in this house. And as you come in and see for yourself, you're gonna love it. All right, if you haven't already fallen in love with the main level, let me take you upstairs to the bedroom level. There are 4 bedrooms. Two full bath, 1 half bath. The washer and dryer is actually on the bedroom level, so very convenient. And again, guys, lots of natural light. You're gonna love this house that has been lightly lived in. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions about this home or anything to do with real estate, this is why we do it. Again, guys, the market is on fire and we are here to serve. Thanks for watching, and do not be afraid to give us a thumbs up, share it on Facebook with anyone that you may know, or wherever you see this video. Take care.